We, the human species, have survived for millions of years because we always avoided what is dangerous. And everything which is unknown is dangerous. For millions of years, life was just a survival. But it's not like that anymore. Still, for most of people, everything which is unknown is danger. So they try to avoid it as much as possible and tend to stand in their comfort zone, in their cave, so to say. But is life just a survival for you like it has been before, or is life an opportunity to grow and test your boundaries and check out the things you haven't known before? I'm Nadia, and on this channel we talk about business and self-development, so consider subscribing not to miss new videos coming every Wednesday. Usually before the New Year Eve, we make some wishes for the coming year. I also made some wishes. If you missed that video, make sure you check it out here after you watch this one till the end. How about you? Do you have any strategy for your life? Do you have any special mindset or any goals? Is your life about survival? Or is it just about keeping what you have? Or is it about growing, scaling, improving, learning, being open to new things to come into your life? It's a lot about the mindset, even more than about the strategy. If you have the right mindset, actually you can already be as happy, as successful as you can or you want. So it's mostly about your mindset, about the way you see things. It's not so much about the things themselves, but about the way you perceive them. And the second thing is strategy, because it's not only about the view, it's good to actually take action to improve things. Even though strategy and taking action is less important than the mindset, still both are necessary. If you want to make your life more a journey, fun, interesting experience, experiment in a way, and not just a fight for survival. So when it comes to self-development, then you need to listen to your heart. You need to know what you want. Because if you just look around and look for judgment and validation from people who don't know what they're doing in life, who just stay in their caves because they are afraid to make something new, to go out of the cave and do something new, then you're not going further. You need to listen to your heart, first of all. Because people tell you how you should live, but are they happy, those people? Mostly those people who are happy, they don't tell you how to live. They only show you the way, or, they give you some setting, but you should decide, and they let you experience the way. They don't want to be your teacher holding your hand for the rest of your life. They want you to grow so that you can manage things on your own. So it really makes sense to look for a person who can give you a hint so that you can make this step further in your development. But it doesn't mean that this person is going to be your parent for the rest of your life. It's more like you are a grown-up person. You listen to your intuition, your heart. You work on yourself, you improve yourself. And then you have some mentors in your life you look up to. You can ask questions, you can learn something from them. If you are not afraid to do something new. Life can never be successful or happy if one doesn't learn something new, if one doesn't do something new. Because when you go into a new situation, you get this excitement, it's like you go into the room, you see this Christmas tree, and it's so beautiful, like this is the way children experience it. And the same for you. You step into a new room and you see something new, and it's great. And if it is something challenging, as a grown-up, you can manage it as well and learn things much more than from easy situations. If you would like to learn more from me, check out my book on personal development. It is in the description below, and there I talk more about my journey of personal development. And I believe this book can inspire you to take this step further into your journey. Or if you're in the situation when you're kind of stuck and you don't know where you're going, then this book can really help you to figure it out. It's on Amazon, it's very easy to get. And for me, it's this project, this book is not about earning money. For me, it's about helping people find their own way out of their cave. This is my offer to you to learn something new, to improve your life. And it's also a way to get to know each other, because this is one of those rare cases where I talk quite a lot about myself. If you have watched this video so far, make sure to give it a like. It really helps me spread this message all over YouTube so that more people can benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. I really wish that you can get more from this channel than just this video. And I also hope that you can start believing yourself this year more than those voices who are giving you validation, because it's all about you, about your heart, about your way of doing things and getting happy. And please leave me a comment if this video resonated with you. Watch some other videos of mine on business and self-development. Till we see each other next Wednesday.